going on YouTube? It's your boy the Retro Wiz Kid, the shoeologist, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon. Y'all, hope all y'all having a great day. Y'all already know what time it is. Before we get into the video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell for your boy the Retro Wiz Kid. That way y'all don't miss any of the content I put out on the channel, as well as give your boy a thumbs up, let your boy the Retro Wiz Kid know that y'all rocking with your boy, and drop a comment below, y'all. And let me know what y'all think about this KICKSMINI package right here, y'all. So this unboxing is being brought to y'all by my boy BBOYLASPIN and KICKSMINI keychains. Now, I did a video before on KICKSMINI keychains, y'all, and this is just to run you all through. This is my Royal Ones packaging. It came with this nice little bag. Came with this Royal Ones mini keychain. The crazy thing is, look at that joint, y'all. One OG, like it has everything in there precisely on this packaging. So that is very dope, y'all. So this is the keychain all the way down to even having actual shoelaces inside the keychain, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Very, very dope, y'all. So we ain't gonna waste no time. We're gonna get straight into this unboxing, y'all. So let's get all the content out the box, y'all. Alright, y'all, so we got everything out, y'all. So first things first, man, we're gonna go with the business card right here. Hold up, man, that joint translucent. I might have to turn that thing around for y'all to see that, but it's the official KICKSMINI, and you know what I'm saying, I'll throw their Instagram up and everything for y'all so that y'all can check them out, and I'll link their webpage in the bottom description. You know what I'm saying? But so we got the bread joints, Legos. Right here we have Badao, y'all. You know what I'm saying? 72 and 10s. And right here we got two boxes that came with it, so you can put the Legos on display, as well as we got a thing of Jordan playing cards, y'all. Now I'll show y'all a picture of how these are supposed to look when they're put together. I'll throw that up as well and let y'all see that. And we got these Jordan playing cards right here, y'all, and we're gonna bust open for y'all. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate the bro BBOYLASPIN, like always. You know what I'm saying? Bringing and, you know what I'm saying, showing the love with what they got, what type of content you got. You know, these are dope, man. These are dope, man. So you got your ones, your twos, your threes, fours. Y'all already know how it's going. You know what I'm saying? You got all these jokers going in a row, man. Look at all these different J's, man. And you see it just repeats, man. So it's the same colorways, man, going all the way through. You got your black and white, best hand in the game, you know what I'm saying? And then your jokers are like that. So very dope, dope. You know what I'm saying? Dang, man, but shirt just rolling up. That cause I've been hitting the gym, y'all. I've been hitting the gym trying to get these things on swole. But yeah, so y'all, this unboxing today was brought to y'all by my boy BBOYLASPIN. Y'all head over to Instagram and follow Big Bro. And like I said, I will link everything in the description below, as well as his Instagram, as well as you all can follow him as well to see the finished products of these. And I'm gonna be posting a picture so you guys can see what they look like. But like I said, this unboxing was brought to y'all today by my boy Big Bro BBOYLASPIN, y'all. Appreciate all the love and support that I get from each and every one of y'all. I'm sorry, y'all. Y'all probably looking like, why you keep looking down? I'm trying to close the damn card deck, man. I can't get the damn cards to close, y'all. But I keep trying, and it's like, are you smarter than a 5th grader? Like, but y'all, this is a slick box, pretty dope, y'all. Little slick box and all that stuff, man. Fuego! Y'all already know how we rock, man. But y'all go check out KICKSMINI, man. Like I said, you can get the Legos off of there. You know what I'm saying? You can get playing cards off of there. And like I already showed y'all from before, from my first unboxing by KICKSMINI, you can get the dope keychain with the dope Retro 1 box. as well as the little Air Jordan 1 bag to go with that thing, man. Just little small things you can get. Y'all already know I'm gonna spend some pictures and I'm gonna show y'all what these things look like put together as well. So appreciate all the love and support, y'all. Don't forget, follow your boy on Instagram, posting pictures daily, y'all. That's right, man. I try to post some pictures daily on that thing, show y'all what I'm rocking on my feet, and just, you know, sometimes I ask questions on there, different things like that. I'm thinking about using that little, man, you know, like the little story mode shit on Instagram, man. I'm gonna tell y'all, man, I just started back using Instagram since I started doing YouTube, and it's changed a lot over the last years. But y'all already know, man, it's your boy the Retro Wiz Kid, man, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Yeah, did.